For our 11.2 practice, we're going to be doing some problems from the On Your Own page, problems 2, 7, and 8. So we are going to look at number 2 here. So it says that Wesley is designing shark fins for a costume. He chooses the points K, L, M, N, and P to model the fins. We know we've got 5 points. So we're going to graph these points. So remember, we always have to go over from 0 first, over left or right, positive goes to the right, negative goes to the left. And then the second number tells us to go from that line, right, from wherever you are on the X to go up, positive, or down, negative. So go ahead and graph those, and then you're going to connect them in order, K, L, M, N, P, and then P is going to go back to K. So how many sides does this have? And then give it a name based on its sides. So remember, 3 sides makes a triangle. 4 sides makes a quadrilateral. 5 is a pentagon. 6 is a hexagon. And 8 is an octagon. So go ahead and take care of number 2. Remember, every time over, then up or down. It's like that elevator. You have to walk out of your room to the elevator, then the elevator can take you up or down. Number 7, we're going to use this coordinate plane that you'll find up here next to number 7 for 7 and 8. So a rhombus is a parallelogram with sides of equal length. So, right, parallelograms are slanted. So a rhombus is going to have these equal sides. All of these sides would be equal. I can show you a better example of that. Maybe I can. So let's see. Okay, so, right, parallelograms don't have to have all 4, but a rhombus will have all 4 the same size. So it's a slanted square, essentially. So we're going to put these coordinates on here, V, W, X. So go ahead and put V, W, X. Remember to go over, then up or down. So this is going to go to the left and then down, to the right, then down, to the left and down. And now you have to find Y. Now remember, it's going to be perfect. All 4 sides are equal. So I'll help you get started. So V and W, -2, -4, and then 3, -4. So I can see that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apart. So that means that these should be 5 apart. These ones you're not going to be able to just count them because they're slanted, but it should go over, and then it should go up the same. This should go over and up the same. So your distances should still be the same. So check that all 4, so find Y, and then check that all 4 are the same length. So you're finding, right, the length of this, the length of this, what are their measurements. Now mark off a scale of grid units on the edge of a sheet of paper, and you're going to find the length of it, or you can just count the height, and the height would be great. If you counted from here to here straight down on that line and then made sure that this was the same measurement all the way across. So if you just tell me the height straight up and down, I will totally take that too. You may need to tell the person checking if they're looking at the book. It may be a different answer that you could do the height. I'll try and write that in there. Okay, and then number 8, somewhere on this grid where you have room, you're going to draw a square. So things we know about squares, 4 sides, they're all equal, and they have right angles. So you should be getting those right angles, so making those perfect squares inside of them. And every side should have 3 units for their length. So 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. So anywhere you want to, go ahead and draw a perfect 3 by 3 square here. So go ahead and finish those up, and that's your practice for this one.